Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to TheCompoundZoo. Welcome if you are new. I am Becca. Welcome to the zoo. This is renovation part 3 of doing my kids' bathroom. So stay tuned and see the final reveal at the end. Okay, y'all, I can't even begin to tell you how many days it's been since A, I started this project, and B, since the last time I picked up my camera to work on this project. I was banned from working on the project for a little bit because I started tasting spray paint and it wouldn't go away. So I was told I had to stay in the bathroom. So today, because honestly the last thing left is to paint the walls and then put everything back. And put all the decorations in. Oh, and also put contact paper down, so there's that too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start putting the doorknobs on the doors and put the tracks back in and then go from there. All right, y'all, so it's super simple. This is just a Phillips head screwdriver and I'm just putting all the knobs and pulls and everything back where they belong. This has taken a lot longer than I thought it ever would. I really should have kept track on when I started. So the contact paper I got from Amazon is just this black woven contact paper. This stuff is super sticky. I did not think it was going to be this sticky because I've used peel and stick contact paper before and it just never worked out. So to get this to fit the drawer, I turned it upside down and measured it that way because the back of this contact paper had cut lines on it. And clearly, I did not do a good job applying this contact paper to this drawer, but the other ones ended up working out just fine. You know, always trial and error on the first one. I will have every product that I mentioned linked down below if I can still find it. Most of my stuff I got from Amazon or I've had it for forever.
Tomorrow.
Alright, now it's finally time to start the painting process, and the most tedious part of the painting process is putting tape everywhere. I hate putting tape everywhere. This is annoying. I used so much tape over the course of doing this whole project. And our paint that we are using is the Behr Deep Merlot Scuff Defense. It is paint and primer all in one, and it is just this beautiful, like, grapey wine color, but when it's on the wall, it's more of a cool tone versus a warm tone, and it is just stunning against the Kona stain. I also hate trimming as well.
3 days later.
Ta-da! Yeah, it honestly took me 3 days to get all this done, mainly because of all my chronic illnesses and everything else going on the farm and kids and doctor's appointments. But y'all, it was totally worth it. If I had been able to keep my kids out of this bathroom for the entire length of time we were doing this, I would have shown their face reveal as well. Alright, so the walls are finally painted. As you guys saw, my best friend was in here helping me paint, so it got done a hell of a lot quicker than me doing this on my own. So the walls are still wet. They're actually on their second coat. I'm hoping once everything dries, I don't need to come back in and do a third coat in some area. But I am just absolutely loving the dark Kona wood against the Deep Merlot walls. I'm gonna either repaint the door, I probably will because there's dog scratches, or I'm just gonna scrub all the dirt off. We've been trying to scrub the door and like it's just not working, but here we go, guys. This has been all of spring break and then like the entire week they've been in school, and just between not feeling good and the weather, this has kind of been a really slow process. But next thing up, we gotta install the lights, put decorations up, put all the doors back on, and honestly that's it, we're done.
3 weeks later.
It's cleanup time to get everything out of here and then bring all the new stuff in. I did not film me putting any of the new stuff in. I was just trying to get it all done before my bonus children got here. So enjoy me cleaning up the mess.
Y'all, what even? Like, what is this? Ugh, I really hate latex paint. Like, look at this. A little bit came off with the tape and now just like the whole thing is peeling. So hopefully I can take a paintbrush and just patch up these two little areas, and then that stupid latex peel is gonna go away.
Tomorrow for sure.
This was done over the course of, I'm talking weeks, guys. Yes, weeks.
Many months later.
And the big reveal is finally here. Here is our spooky themed bathroom. I am in love with this. I do want to put some more decorations in here, but for now, this works. Ignore all the paint and stain splatter everywhere. I did not have mineral spirits to clean it up, but honestly, I didn't care. I just wanted to get this out because it has been so long. So that towel, I believe, was from a Halloween towel set from Target. And these little tarot card pictures are actually from a scrapbook set from Michael's ages ago, and I just put them in some dollar store frames. Y'all, cans of spray paint really transformed all of this hardware. Look at the inside of these drawers and that peekaboo sheen against the dark wood. It is so pretty. This little tooth cup holder thing is from Amazon. Again, I will have everything linked down below that I can. This little skeleton dog is a Halloween decoration that we have had for at least 5 years. It is my middle child's favorite thing, and he wanted it in the bathroom. This little diffuser is from Dollar Tree. And my favorite part of this whole bathroom is got to be this Audrey 2 plant that I made. I will link the tutorial down below to where I found how to make this. There's another one of those Michael's tarot card scrapbook pack paper things in a dollar store frame. And all of the decorations, like all the plants and stuff, I made by myself. But this little Audrey 2 has got to be my absolute favorite out of this entire bathroom. It is made with foam footballs, acrylic nails, some paint, and some faux florals, all from the Dollar Tree. This basket is from Walmart. I found it in their garden section, and this hula hoop ring shelf thing is from the Dollar Tree, and some free scrapbook wood that I made myself, and I will link that tutorial down below as well. These little monster plants were inspired by some monster plants we saw on Amazon. They were $20 each on Amazon. I made each plant for about $1.50 each. This shower curtain is also from Amazon. Again, everything will be linked down below. Okay, so that's gonna do it for this very long, drawn out homestead makeover. We started this, I want to say, back in March. It's now May. Whoops. We actually finished this maybe about a week ago, but I've been trying to get it Pinterest, YouTube ready or whatever. But y'all, it's hard with 4 kids, okay? It is really hard. So you get what you get. This is a stage that it's going to get in terms of cleanliness. The kids clean it every day. But in terms of getting up the paint stain and the paint off of everything, that's just gonna have to wait, but it's fine. The bathroom's beautiful, kids love it, we love it, it's just amazing. I do have a couple of other details that I do want to add into the bathroom, but those are going to come at a later date, so be sure to follow us on Instagram at TheCompoundZoo to see exactly what details we're adding, and be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us comments down below, let us know what you guys think of this renovation. I did it all on my own, so proud of myself. See y'all next time. Bye!